All right, guys, we got to figure this thing out. So, a couple different things going on here, man. We kind of got this thing graded the way I need it. You can kind of see what we got going on up here. We're getting ready to do the drives and walks. Now, people still can't see this house. They can't see it, man. Even though my wife said that brick don't look bad, but we're gonna paint this whole thing, man. But the weather just not working with us right now. It's just too cold. Maybe it's gonna be okay tomorrow or the next day. So this is what we got on the drives and walks. Now I figure I don't know if those trucks are gonna be able to back up there. I don't even, to be honest with you guys, they don't they don't have that mind. Well, let me not talk about these guys, man. But anything that's somewhat of a challenge, they're just not gonna do it, man. So you can see where we cut the curve. We cut it right here. We're gonna bring that right there guy all the way here. So this gives us, if I'm coming from this way, I can swoop up in here. If I'm coming from this way, I can come in here and boom, just get up in here. If you see, now I had to have them to rise. If you guys see right here in this corner, right there, I raised that up just a tad bit so that the slope would be kind of more level. Because they had it down a little lower. You drive your car up on there, you're gonna feel like you're gonna turn over. So that's what I tried to make sure that we don't have. That's what I tried to make sure that doesn't happen, guys. You want to make sure that I tried to get my wife to come up here and drive up here in her SUV just to see. I would try it with my Prius, but I think I may screw up some stuff right here, so I'm not gonna do it. We'll get her to bring her SUV up here, but let's just kind of walk through this guy. We got this right here graded the way we want it. This is what I want right here, guys. Maybe a little bit higher right there, but we're gonna have some shrubs right here. Have a couple of shrubs right there and right there in the middle. So we'll have that. These big rocks got in the way, guys, but this is what we're doing right here. So we're gonna come all the way up here. I'm gonna have a lot of pavers on this house, guys, especially in the back. We're gonna do more of a hardscape. So you're gonna pull up here. You're gonna pull up here. This is the idea. Yeah, I just noticed they used all my stone. So we're gonna come around. You can pull up here and then turn right into here. Or you can pull straight up here, which my daughter likes to do, and then back in. We gotta work on this right here though. That can't sit like this right here. How you can back straight in. I put this over here, this little area over here, guys. I put that here for 2 cars. So 2 cars here, 2 cars here. That way me and my wife can park our cars here for right now. And while my kids are still here, they can park their electric vehicles in here and charge them at night. What we did with my concrete and posts. Oh, they're up there. All right, good deal. So they moved a lot of stuff. So they kind of got everything okay. The few bricks that we had, we put it over here. I need to cover that up, man. That stuff don't need to get wet. Got a few bricks over here. I think we got a few bricks over there. This is what my wall looks like. Oh man, looks a whole lot better, guys. So we got all this right here. All of this right here is right in here is going to be hardscape. So I'm gonna hardscape it right here in this area. Then we may put a little grass around here. We still got to grade this. This right here will be hardscape. So you will have some grass coming up here too as well. So this is what this wall. So got this wall once again, guys. We'll stabilize all this up here. Nothing else is moving up here, man. This thing right here. And these things right here turn out pretty nice. This is gonna be almost like a room back here, like you should be able to sit here and watch TV and do your thing right here, guys. That right there is called a dingo. So sometimes you have a situation where the skit steer just can't get in there, And so you use a dingo to get up there. So I was telling my wife, those posts that you saw in the basement, I mean, in the main level garage, we're going to stick them right here. Stick them right here. Well, I'm sorry. One right here, one right there, and one over there. So we got 3 of them. So we got all this right here. This looks good. Got all my septic tank stuff over here. We'll set our units right over there. And they're going to have to be staggered. So we're probably going to have, I don't see my other unit line. What do these guys do? Oh, I got a unit here. I got one here. But I don't see my last one. Well, I'll tell you. Those brick guys, man, those brick guys gave me, that just come from the brick guys, I believe. I had to blame him for everything. He was just difficult, man. They wouldn't show up, stuff like that, man. They made this right here job hard, unfortunately. So this is what we got. We're gonna move all this water around here. Anything that comes, I mean, I got a nice drainage system that's back here. I gotta get this right here. I got a nice drainage system back here behind that rock, a pipe, but we need a solid pipe to take it all the way back to the back. But this is what my drive, guys, I calculated the amount of space that we got on this drive. We got pretty good space on this drive, on the drives and walks. It's probably about maybe 35 yards. These right here coming in or something? These are the posts that I was talking about. It's gonna go in the rear. Gonna stain all those posts. Yeah, so this is gonna be really nice right here. This is gonna be a really nice area for anybody. And guys, I'm gonna go ahead and bump the cost of this house up a little bit. If anybody want to have it, man, it's gotta be worth my time to sell it. I think we got enough of this right here, tile. We'll see. Nothing's in here changed. I don't think it looks like they covered up a TV plug right there. But you had a TV plug right there. Jeez. Sheetrock guys. So we got to find everything. I think we got all the plugs here. So we're going to be gouging this bad boy out pretty good when the electricians come back. Cabinets are set up. What's this? Oh. I just put everything in here, man, so we don't lose this stuff. So stuff will start growing feet, walking away. Cabinets ought to be here next week. I got her set up. So once I get my drives and walks in, I call my cabinet girl. She come on out here and get all the cabinets in. Once you get the cabinets in, I can call my trim carpenter back out and do his thing. I can go ahead and get once you get your cabinets in, you kind of know where everything is going to be, so you can go ahead and get so at that point, man, you want to go ahead and get your light fixtures and stuff put in. So this is what we're looking like right here, guys. Well, we got to straighten this side up over here. That skid steer needs to come over here and straighten this side up over here. That side right there. So I'm thinking that the pump truck is gonna have to sit right over here, man. So we need to move that stuff out the way. I'm gonna leave this right here, this spray can here, and I'm gonna let my pump guy come in and tell me where he need to set up with his pump truck, and we're gonna clean this stuff out the way so that he can get this thing in, guys. I got a class with the homeowners that I teach on Friday, so I'm not gonna be around to babysit these guys. That's gonna be another thing. I hate seeing that trash out there, guys. So yeah, so we're gonna have to. I think I'm gonna put this right over here. And he can just show me where you want the. I'm thinking that the pump truck may have to go right here, man. So we need to move this stuff out the way with that skid steer. All right, guys, we're starting to bring this bad boy together. You guys have a good one.